the butt squirter. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Numinous Happenstance. My name is Chris. I'm here on the day zero of our Istanbul trip when we finally get to meet each other in person. I am here in a hotel called the Yotel, Y-O-T-E-L, that is actually located inside the Istanbul Airport. A very, very cool place. Right now you can't see much, right? It's very dark. See a little light in the background, but figured, you know what? You guys need to see how Istanbul, Turkey is representing up in this airport, guys. This is a sweet, sweet hotel. I ended up in it in a whole different circumstance that I will explain in a different video. But this is just going to be the little room tour dealy whopper that you guys like to watch. I like to watch them too. So let's do one. So let's reveal the room and we'll show off everything we got up in here. Give me the blue. Oh, look at that baby. Sweet baby blue. Well, it's probably not a baby blue, but this is the room, ladies and gentlemen. It's just a sweet, easy room. It isn't huge, but it's also very spacious. It is crazy cool. It's got a sweet TV here. Oh, baby. Look at that sweet TV. And 2 bottles of water. Hopefully complimentary, because I already drank half of this one. But the cool thing about behind here, look, we can change the color of the lights. We want it to be red. We want it to be yellow. Well, I guess that's white. We want it to be green. Okay, what do we want to be? We want to be a little bit green, a little bit blue, a little bit red, a little bit red. There it goes. It's cooperating now. So this is pretty sweet. You can have like a cool ambiance. So that's the first thing I noticed behind the bottles of water is this little RGB control station here. Pretty cool. Behind my half drink bottle of water that I'm gonna have to pay for it. And we got a little workstation here. That is pretty cool. You know, it's very spacious desk. Very simple, modern desk. Got the little fridge hiding out in there. Hey y'all. Put some stuff in here, man. Don't ask me where that voice came from. All right, so there we go. And also one thing, if we're gonna complain about something in this room, check out the dusty holes that you plug stuff into. Yeah, I don't know. Just kidding, it's not really a big deal because I don't even have a plug-in like that. I don't even have one of those. It's a European deal. Now let's go around to the room here. We got some bed situations here. And nice little table and chair set here. And this right here looks like a Batman signal. It's pretty cool. It's got a foot pedal down there that I will foot for you. I will do it. Watch this. I will put a pedal on it. And then it turns the light on. But it does it in 2 different ways. So it'll actually do it on the front side. Never mind. I'm wrong. I'm wrong about that. I thought it did the front side, but it's the back side. But still. Interesting modern lamp. I like it. Pretty cool. Then we got our standard bedside tables with lighting and whatnot. One cool thing though is these little lights here. Switches will control all the lights. I can turn all the lights and stuff off from the bed. Now if that's a thing, that's cool, but I've never had that thing before. So yeah, I like it. I like that. So we got a nice bed. Got some space underneath too. Look at this. Check this out. Wow. Wow. You couldn't even see that because it's dark. But it's got space under the bed. And then we're going to come over here to the super sweet mirror. Oh, hello. Hello there. How are you? So this is our mirror. It has a secret, ladies and gentlemen. It has a secret. It lights up. Woo, hello. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Sweet sink. Got our lotions and whatnots. We got hand cleaner and lotion. Everything we want, ironing board. Drawers down there for security and fireproof. Right here. We can be fireproof, and we can actually lock some things up. Oh wait, that's not fireproof. It's an ironing board and iron. That's the iron. I swear to God, it looks like a fireproof sign, like a fire signal. Ha! Well, my bad. Again, I got it wrong again. And down here, they gave us some sets of towels. There were 2 sets. I've already used one because I was on the planes for 19 hours and I stank like airplanes. All right, so this is one of my favorite parts though, right here. Let me get back away from it. Here we go. We got bathrooms. We got the dirty business and the clean business. So we do both of those over here. But the other thing that's cool is they provide these little curtains. So you got some people sharing a space that aren't married, or if you're married and you're just shy for some reason, you can create a little privacy there with the curtain. Very nice. I like it. Super sexy. Sexy. So I like that. So this is a cool little room. It really is cool. Let me show you the shower, and then we'll show you the bath, the dirty place, and then here's the clean place. You got the shower up there. You also have an option for the hand sprayer, and of course they include some shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Thank you for that. I haven't bought any since I've been here. So Yotel, good job. Now here is the fun, dirty business room. This is where you come in to do your dirty work. Now it's got this thing. If you guys know what this is, let me know. I think it's a towel warmer, I think. Because you can change the temperature on it right here. And it's actually kind of warm because I was playing around with it a while ago. So I think if you hang your towel there, it'll warm it up for you. I could be wrong. Maybe it'll warm up your toilet paper or something. I just don't know. But then we got, you know, standard trash can and toilet paper. We got a sweet square toilet. I'm all about square, so good job, Istanbul. We love square things. But this has also got the butt squirter. Good little butt squirt. Yeah. So guys, there you go. We got butt squirting that will help you clean your booty. And there we go. That is a room tour to die for, guys. And there I am again. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy all of our upcoming Istanbul content. It's going to be quite fun here on the Numinous Happenstance. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and go to Facebook too and tell us how much you love us. See you later, guys. Peace.